Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund on Google Play Store or website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course you will need to log in into your account if you do have an account. If you don't have an account, you will need to go ahead and create one. You will be able to create it with your email account or a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the bonus steps of creating your account, and of course, trust me, it will be much faster. So of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to refund something on Google Play. So if you want to do that, simply you will need to go at the top right corner and click at your icon profile. Of course, from here, you would like to select payments and subscriptions. And of course, from here, you would like to go to subscriptions. And for me, I don't have any subscription, but for you, you would like to find the order that you want to refund or to return. And if you didn't find it here, you'll be able even to find it on this budget and order history. So of course, if you pay for something here, you will certainly find it. So look for it carefully. So just find the order that you want to return. Then if you actually pay for it, you'll find an option which is request a refund or report a problem. So just go and click on that, then choose the option that describe your situation, and of course complete the form and note that you would like a refund and hit the submit button, of course, or before that you would like to review everything you actually added, then hit the submit button and you will be actually good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.